Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 easy DIY natural cleaning recipes, and they were so simple and required so few ingredients that I've just decided to call them hacks because they barely constitute recipes. If you're new here, my name is Jade and this is my channel Living Unjaded, where I make videos about an eco lifestyle and the things that fall under that category. So that includes videos like this one of DIYs and low tox and natural living type of videos, as well as my low waste journey, minimalism journey, and green beauty. So if you're interested in those types of things, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. What you'll need for these DIYs are Castile soap in either bar or liquid form, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils are optional. And if you're planning on making a batch of these at once, then you'll probably need containers and a funnel. And if you have a bar of Castile soap, you'll need a pot. If you have liquid soap, then you can skip this first step, but if you have a bar of soap, then you'll need to boil that down into a concentrate first. So I used one 5-ounce bar of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and I chopped it up and boiled it into a pot of 6 cups of water. And this really just depends on how concentrated you want your soap to be. So the first recipe is for an all-purpose cleaner, and I use this on almost all of my hard surfaces except for wood. And this is just 1 part apple cider vinegar to 4 parts water. And again, you can adjust the strength depending on where you think you'll be using this the most and how much grime or buildup there is. I find that the vinegar smell kind of dissipates after a couple minutes, and it just smells clean after I use it. But if you really don't like that vinegar smell, you can add some essential oils. I'm calling the second recipe kind of a scum scrubber because it gets the buildup off of tiles, shower walls, and sinks, anywhere that gets a lot of soap scum or other types of buildup. All you'll need is baking soda and Castile soap for this. I used half a cup of baking soda with an 1/8 cup of the concentrated Castile soap. All you need to do is put some of this on the buildup site and scrub away. Number 3 is dish soap, and this is super easy. You're just gonna use that concentrated Castile soap and fill half of your container with the concentrate and then half with water. This will cool down into more of a gel form. Number 4 is hand soap, and I almost feel like this is kind of a cheat because it's pretty much the same thing as the dish soap, you're just diluting it more. So I filled up about 1/5 to 1/4 of the bottle with Castile soap and the rest with water. Again, this cools down into a gel. I think that this consistency is very comparable to hand soaps that you would buy. Number 5 is carpet deodorant, and this is, again, so simple. It's just baking soda, and essential oils are optional. If you're using essential oils, just mix the baking soda and essential oils together, sprinkle it on the carpet a couple minutes before you vacuum, and just vacuum over it. You'll find that your carpets are fresher and cleaner than before. That's it for these 5 natural cleaning hacks. Let me know below what your tried and true natural cleaning recipes are. I always love learning from you, and I find that on these videos, the comments definitely add value. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you later. Bye!